Let's now move on to a demonstration of the SAP IoT proof of concept. The use case which we have detailed earlier is for RoboCare connected machine. What we see here is a replication of the robotic arm, which consists of the robotic arm connected to the SAP IoT gateway. Here we will see the capturing of live data from the robotic arm through the SAP IoT servicing the Fiori application. We will now switch on the robotic arm. As soon as the machine is on or active, we can see the status as on, and if the machine is off or inactive, we can see the status as off. This is the supervisor page of RoboCare connected machine. We can see active and inactive machines, just like Facebook of machines. Inactive machines are machines which are not rented or machines in a maintenance state. Active machines are those which are active in the production line. When we click on one of the active machines, we can see the details including the name, description, located or not, powered or not, the unique ID number of the machine, the customer's name, etc. We can communicate to the customer through the Notify button. The alert from the machine will be visible in the notification area of the screen. We can see the on-off status in the graph as well as the history table. A day-wise usage and monthly-wise usage graphs are there in the analytical part. Here, we can see the total hours used in a particular month, not used hours, and the maintenance hours. Here the status of the machine is off. When we switch on the machine and refresh the screen, the status changes to on, and the same is reflected in a graph. This denotes the time when the machine is switched on. Now, if we switch off the machine, we can see that in the table as well as in the graph. If we see the graph, we can see the total time that the machine is on, and we can bill the customer according to the usage using the invoice button. Here we can see the company name, from and to address, the usage hour, amount per hour, and the net amount. Now we can send this invoice to the customer. welcome to the demonstration of Aura Connected Environment. You see 3 tiles representing. Now let's go to the mining tile. Displayed is the status of atmosphere variance in different locations in District A, District B and District C. This represents the gas concentration of the particular area. This is for temperature and this for pressure. Blue indicates normal. If we click here, we can see the status in the dialog box. If we click the particular location B, we can see the resources and the employees who are working there. If we click here on the employee tab, we can see the employee name, designation, experience level and age. And this is the IoT Gateway ESP8266 node MCU, which has a 32-bit microprocessor. This is the gas sensor MQ2. If gas is applied to this gas sensor, the status of this District B gas concentration will vary. We now see the gas concentration in District B changing to yellow, which means there is a warning. Now it changes to red, which indicates danger. If you click here, the system will propose the action plan. Here we can see send service request. If it's only a warning, it will propose to send service request to the service provider. If it is danger, it proposes to us to evacuate the particular area. And this is the end of the demonstration. Thank you.